Hello guys, welcome to the Ugandan Dev channel, your go-to channel for all things coding and development. Today, we are diving into the basics by showing you how to kickstart your programming journey on Windows. I'm thrilled to guide you through the installation process of Python. And Python is a fundamental language for any aspiring coder. So, grab your curiosity and let's embark on this journey together. First step, head over to Google and type download Python for Windows. Okay. Keep an eye out for the official Python website, which is here, python.org. And then head over to the download tab, hover over it, and come to the Python tab with the latest Python stable version. And currently, at the recording of this video, is Python 3.12.3. It's the latest stable version. So just click on this and your download will be on its way to your machine. So head over to your folder where you've downloaded it, and mine, it is hiding somewhere on the screen. So it's here. So just click run as administrator. You'll get that. Yes. Install. You need to pay attention here. I would not encourage custom installation, but click on the default installation now, or install now. And remember to check this button, add Python to exe. Please do not forget this. Okay, add Python to the path or to the environment variable. So click install now. And within a few minutes, Python will be on your machine, depending on how fast your machine is. Okay, so the setup was successful and we have Python. There's things here new, what's new to Python, that in the subsequent videos. So with that, we have installed Python on our computer on Windows. Isn't that simple? So to check whether you have Python installed, come over here and look for the command prompt and run as administrator. And we can try to type in Python. And voila. So with this, we have Python into our system. And to test out, we can press or try out some arithmetic, which we are going to look at in our subsequent videos, and you get 7. So, ladies and gentlemen, this confirms that Python is properly installed into our Windows operating system, and you're good to go and kickstart your coding journey. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.